Cars, one of the most reliable forms of transportation. But have you ever wondered why we have seatbelts? I'll tell you why. Seatbelts are the best defense against impaired, aggressive, and distracted drivers. Being buckled up during a crash helps keep you safe and secure inside your vehicle, and making sure you aren't being completely ejected from a vehicle is almost always deadly. In 1968, the federal government began to require lap and shoulder seat belts in the front outboard seats of all new passenger cars sold in the United States if the lap belt alone could not prevent occupant contact with the windshield. New York State passed the first law in the U.S. mandating the use of seat belts in 1984 under the leadership of John D. States, an orthopedic surgeon who dedicated his career to improving automotive safety. Among drivers and front seat passengers, seat belts reduce the risk of death by 45% and cut the risk of serious injury by 50%. Seatbelts prevent drivers and passengers from being ejected during a crash. People not wearing a seatbelt are 30 times more likely to be ejected from a vehicle during a crash. In 2021, 26,325 passenger vehicle occupants were killed. About 50% of those killed were not buckled, based on known seatbelt use. Seatbelts saved an estimated 14,955 lives and could have saved an additional 2,549 people if they had been wearing seatbelts in 2017 alone. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.